what is the meaning of arrest? What do you mean by arrest? What do you mean by arrest? Yes. Restraining the liberty of a person, that is arrest. Okay. What is the procedure for arrest? I am not asking the technical procedure. I am just asking you the procedure for arrest. So you are saying when you confine a person in a room, that is arrest. When a police officer says थोड़ी देर तक यहीं बैठना कहीं मत जाना, that means it is arrest. It is not arrest. Yes. What do you mean by arrest? Any idea? What is the meaning of the term arrest? कैसे करते हैं अरेस्ट में, होता क्या है? Anybody else wants to try? What is the exact meaning of arrest? What is the ambit of arrest? Curtailment of personal authority of a person by curtailment of personal liberty of a person by lawful authority. That is the meaning of arrest. See, what exactly does arrest mean? Arrest, taken from the word arretir, it basically means to confine or touch the body of a person in order to restrain the liberty of that person. So, restraining the liberty is fine, but in arrest there should be actual confinement of the liberty of the person by confining the body or by touching the body of that particular person. There should be confinement, there should be restraining of liberty. That means whenever we talk about arrest, arrest is basically that procedure wherein one lawful authority actually touches or confines the body of another person, that is to be arrested. That is exactly the meaning of arrest. If you write, according to Halsbury's laws of England, according to Halsbury's laws of England, according to Halsbury's laws of England, the seizure or touching of a person's body, the seizure or touching of a person's body with view to restraint, with view to restrain the personal liberty of such person, with view to restrain the personal liberty of such person and which may be done by words, if a person submits to compulsion, and which may be done by words, if a person submits to compulsion, is called arrest, is called arrest, is called arrest. ब्रैकेट्स में आप लिख सकते हैं स्टेट ऑफ हरियाणा वर्सेस दिनेश कुमार 2008 सुप्रीम कोर्ट, स्टेट ऑफ हरियाणा वर्सेस दिनेश कुमार 2008 सुप्रीम कोर्ट, स्टेट ऑफ हरियाणा वर्सेस दिनेश कुमार 2008 सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Full stop. So touching means actually touching or confining the body of an individual. जब आप actually में किसी की body को touch करते हो, confine करते हो, that is known as arrest. It is taken from the word arreter. It means to stop. It means to stop. ठीक है. सो अरेस्ट डज नॉट मीन जनरली जैसे लोग समझते हैं यू आर अंडर अरेस्ट. अरेस्ट एक्चुअली इंक्लूड्स टचिंग द बॉडी ऑफ द पर्सन और कन्फाइनिंग द बॉडी ऑफ द पर्सन. इट एक्चुअली मीन्स दैट you have to touch the body of the person or you have to confine the body of the person. That is the meaning of arrest. ठीक है. अगर आप देखोगे which was 46 of wait, if you see 43, that is arrest how made. You see subsection 1, in making an arrest, the police officer or other person making the same shall actually touch or confine the body of the person to be arrested unless there be a submission to the custody by word or action. So अगर आप देखोगे arrest how made, arrest कैसे कर रहा है, तो statute भी कह रहा है in making an arrest, police officer other person making same shall actually touch or confine the body of the person to be arrested. Actually touch the body or actually can touch the मतलब for example you give a pat on the shoulder and you say oh you are under arrest, let's go. Confining, that may actually confine that particular person either in in a handcuff or you confine by holding both the hands etc. unless there be a submission to the custody by word or action. Unless and until there is submission to custody, that means the person agrees to be detained in custody by word or action. So arrest has to be made. Arrest has to be made by touching the body of the person or by confining the body of the person. Is that clear? Sure. So एक चीज और ये बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट है, इसीलिए मैंने आपको बताया कि अरेस्ट में यू हैव टू एक्चुअली टच द बॉडी ऑफ द पर्सन और कन्फाइन द बॉडी ऑफ द पर्सन. I hope this is clear to all of you.